Okay, guys, in this video we have to discuss very important topic. Like in previous video, we have discussed about how to do the calculation, how to make a grand total, right? And how to import data with the different sources. In today's session, we are going to discuss about how to work with the map features, right? How can you work on the map feature? How can you use the story tool? And how can you able to perform the conditional construct, right? So very simple example, like you can see in previous videos, we discussed the bubble chart and how to filter data, right? Now we are going to check, just close this, right? So a story tool we are going to use, how to create a story tool. So simple, I'm going to take a story tool. Even you can take from the bottom here, a story tool, as you can see. Even you can take it from here, the story tool, new story. Okay. Here, you can give the name of the story if you want. So here you can define as well, like previous I told you how to give the title. Here add caption. So whatever chart you make it here, whatever sheet you prepare, simple. We have to drag and drop, and it will go into the connect with this. Say simple drag and drop. Suppose I given here table data, right? Say drag. Again, I simple sheet two I took it here, drag and drop. Okay. Again, you can give it here bubble chart. So here you can see once I click or page connected to this story, say click. So you are able to access that particular page. Again, third one I took it here, drop here. Suppose I given you a column chart. You can see here bubble data column. So this is where you can import it. Rest of them. Even you can change the layout of the story. Simple come to layout. See, by default, caption box is coming, as you can see here. I want like a number form. Suppose interviewers, I want to see number form 1, 2, 3 like this. See 1, 2. Once I click, you can see 3. Even you can click from here, even here as well. See like this, like this. Okay. Next one, dot forms. Even you can put the dot form as well. See dot form, you can access. You can check here. Even you can see the arrow only. Click on it, so you can use the arrow as well. You can see. Clear. So this is where you can access the story. So this is really very, very important, guys. Like once you are creating a dashboard, so that time you can use the story, your page is going to connect with that and easily can do the analysis of your data. Right. So this is about your story tool. I hope you guys understood. Next, we going for the next conditional construct. Control A 22. I took it here bold and whatever you want, you can put it. Now here, I want to take product subcategory. Okay. And I want to take it profit figure. Suppose there's a situation I want to check the profit and loss figure, right? High profit and low profit. So as you can see, now you can sort your data. You can see sorting ascending order, descending order. So you can see. Sorry. So I want to see whose values are higher than who has the profit figure is showing the different color, who's the loss figure they show in the different color. So that would be more easy to going to recognize it. So I will do this. Simple any measure, like as I told you in Tableau, you have to see the numeric value, I mean measures in the hashtag. So you can choose anyone, simple click on it, right click, and go to create calculated fields. And here you have to write like a profit status. Here I'm going to if Sum of profit, sum profit, okay, tab. Suppose I given here greater than equals to like 70,000, then TSA and then tab it. Then like I taught you guys in VBA, Visual Basic Application in Advanced Excel, that time you use, right? Same like here you can also use it. You can click next, then you have to show here in single quotation like a high profit, okay. Then else, once condition false, else I can show here low profit, low profit. That's it. And finally, you have to use end here. Click on apply, click on OK. Now, you can see profit status once you make, you can see equals to ABC will come. It's simple what you have to do, hold it, drag or color पे drop कर दो आप. As you can see here, let me click on this all charts. You can see high profit. Once you click is showing the blue color, low profit showing in the orange color. Even if you want, you can change the color, guys. Simple, आप डबल क्लिक कर देंगे कलर पे. Sorry, I want green color. Okay, see, even low profit, I want double click on it. I want red color. Even you can see more option available. You can choose as well. Wish you can see. So this is way you can show the profit and loss. So this is a more easy way you can simple look at with the condition. You given the condition based on that. You can check which one is the which figure coming in the profit figure, which one coming the low figure, right? High and low profit. So this is where you can use the conditional construct. So I hope you like it. Thank you so much.